health matters, Hyderabad chooses Yashoda Hospitals. Advanced robotics, life-saving emergencies, rare disease treatments, all under one roof. From preventive health to complex care, we are with you at every step.
Today is a landmark moment, not just for Yashoda Hospitals, not just for Hyderabad, but I would say it is for the future of Indian healthcare.
Our 3-decade journey has been driven by singular belief: healthcare must advance faster than the disease.
I'm so proud to see this event being hosted by Yashoda Hospitals and Dr. Chinnababu in bringing best of the minds to tackle the problems of the future.
Hyderabad itself is the both pharma, biotech as well as the IT capitals. So these are the three things that we need to have to develop SIMD software as a medical device.
And what I believe is focus on the patient and on the family, and all else will follow. Do the things that help their outcomes, that help their experience, and everything else will follow from that.
The turn of the events, how technology is also playing a very key role and critical role in shaping up the tomorrow's Medicare.
The reality of today is that while AI can build a lot of things, potentially AI cannot build itself, at least as of now.
AI will not replace doctors or will not replace hospitals. But doctors and hospitals that use AI will replace the ones that don't.